Uga si Ate Maymay. What did you say to everybody?
Merry Christmas!
What do you say to everybody?
Merry Christmas!
What will you say to everybody?
Happy birthday!
Hoy, Merry Christmas! Nanay, what will you say to everybody?
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Happy holidays!
The Yam, what will you say to everybody?
Ang masasabi ko sa lahat is Merry Christmas, guys.
Tatay, what do you will say to everybody?
I will say to everybody that I wish everybody Jesus Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless.
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Guys, mag-abli na kasi na guys ko.
So guys, mag-aabli na ada kami gift.
Labing ng iyong mata.
Ay, natusira kuya. Nawawala man. Ato ako duwa na kuya dito sa ubos. Ano sa nawawala? Pwede minula ati sa iya kwarto. Wala liwat sa iya kwarto, guys. Kadtuon ta daw sa ubos. Kadtuon ta sa ubos, guys. Biter, what do you will say to everybody? Merry Christmas! Kuya May! Paralag ka na liwat. Picture! Thank you! Ah! Where can May? Oh,
Kaya na! Kuya kita!
Dali tayo, doon tayo.
Ayun!
Balance sa balance. Ay, makatuwa na kayo.
You like it?
Thank you sa regalo, Epi. Salamat. Merry Christmas.
Oh,
So
Thank
in.
you so much. Diliwat. Salamat, May. Sa imo Christmas day.
Happy birthday.
Merry Christmas. Wow, may pakamot na piyang.
dari pa, pahamot.
Thank you.
Wow!
Wow, salamat, May. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Wow!
Bye, guys.